Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 different types of desk organizers. So here's the first one. It has 4 compartments. And it looks like that. Here's the second one. It has 6 compartments. And here's the third one. And it also has 6 compartments. So yeah, let's get started with the first one. So first I'm going to be showing you how to make this desk organizer with 4 sections, and this is the outside. Yeah, let's get started making it. Okay, so for this first one, you're going to need 8 pieces of paper, each 8 inches by 8 inches. So we're going to make the first section, which uses 2 pieces of paper. So we're going to take the first piece of paper, and we're just going to fold it in half. Okay, open it up and fold it in half the other way. Okay, open it back up again. And then you're going to take one of the corners and fold it so that the corner is touching the center. And do that to the one right next to it. Next, fold this part down like this, and then fold it in half like this. So now you should have this. So repeat this to the other piece of paper. Now you should have 2 of these. So just make it so they're facing each other, and then kind of put it on top of the other one. And make sure that, in this case, the purple goes into the pink tab right here, and same on the other side. And then you can just push them together. Next, you're going to open it on one side, and kind of just fold it in half, like this. So now you should have this box shape. So the next step is to make 3 more of these. So here I have 3 more, and you can see I've used different colors. You can use whichever colors you want. So the next step is to put them together and arrange them like in a square, like this, and you can arrange them however you want. So I decided to arrange mine like this. The next step is to glue them together. So you can use hot glue for this part or any type of glue you want, but I'm just going to use a glue stick. So just put glue on the whole side of one of the pieces. And since this glue isn't really that sticky, I'm going to put one on this side too. I'm just going to stick them together. And then I'm just going to do the same process for the other pieces. So I finished gluing all of these together, and now we're going to make a base for it. So you can just take another piece of paper and set it on top, and just trace around the outside. So as you can see, I just have kind of a rough outline. Next, you're going to take some scissors and just cut it out. So as you can see, it's not a perfect square, but it should still fit beneath this one. So yeah, it fits pretty well. Now I'm just going to flip it over. So this one, it should fit like this. So next, I'm going to take some glue and just put it along the edges of this. We're just going to put this on top. So after you finish gluing it on, you are done. And you could just put pencils in here or whatever you want. And yeah, now on to the next one. The next desk organizer we're going to be making is this one. And it has 6 different sections, and they're each triangular. So yeah, let's just get started making it. So for this one, you're only going to need 6 pieces of paper, each 8 inches by 8 inches. So we're going to start with the first section, which only needs 1 piece of paper. So we're going to fold it in half like this. Open it up and fold it the other way. Open it up again and just bring the corner to the center and crease it. And do the same right next to it. Next, fold it up so that this edge meets this crease in the middle. So now you should have this. Next, you're going to take one of the edges right here and just fold it to the center like this. And do the same to the other side. So now you should have this shape. Next, you're going to take it and you're going to, like at the end, you're going to be putting this piece into this little flap right here, like this. So you just put it in like that, and you have this. But it's not really going to hold without glue, so I'm just going to take a little bit of glue and put it on this piece so it can stick to this piece. And then we're just going to put it into the other side. So now you should have one of these little sections right here, and then you just have to make 5 more of these. So over here I have made 5 more like this, so total we have 6. Next I'm just going to arrange them into a circle. You can see they should make a perfect circle. So next, again, we're just going to put glue on the edges and stick them together like this. So I finished gluing all of these pieces together, and yeah, this is what it looks like. So next, just like before, we're going to take a piece of paper and put it underneath, and we're just going to trace the outline. Okay, so you can see here I have this hexagon shape. So again, we're just going to cut it out. Okay, so I've cut it out. So again, we're just going to flip this over and then glue this onto the bottom. So just put glue along all the edges and then stick the paper on. So once you finish gluing the bottom on, you're done. And yeah, now on to the last one. The third and final desk organizer we're going to be making today is this one. It has 6 compartments and they're all triangular shaped. And they also have this cool diamond in the middle. So yeah, let's get started making it. For this last one, you're going to need 6 pieces of paper that are 8 inches by 8 inches and 1 smaller piece of paper. It doesn't really have a measurement, it's just about this size. First, you're going to fold the 8 by 8 piece of paper in half. Open it up and fold the bottom to the middle like this. And do the same to the other side. So now I should have this. Fold it in half the other way. And then do the same thing. So fold the bottom up to the middle crease. And then repeat on the other side. So now you should kind of have this grid of 16 squares. Next you're going to go to the corner and fold that bottom corner square in half like this. So bring the corner up to the nearest crease. And do that to all 4 corners. Next, just fold one of the sides down like this, and do the same to the other side. Turn it and then flip it over. Fold the bottom section up like this, and the top section like this. Next, you're going to take your other piece of paper, and you're just going to cut it so it fits inside here. So you can see it's a little too tall. So I'm going to cut a little bit off of the top. So now it should fit. And it doesn't matter if it's a little too small like this, because we won't really see it. Next, just cut off the excess right here. So now you should have this. So you have this little piece of paper in this section. And you can put it on this side if you want, but I'm just going to put it in this side. next you're going to take this side with a paper, kind of just put it inside of the other one, like this. And then you're just going to push them together. And now you can see we have one section like this, which is a triangle. And now just make 5 more of these. So here I have 5 more of them. And then if we just add the last one, you can see that it makes a perfect circle, like this. And next, again, we're going to glue them together like this. Right here. And then we're just going to stick them together. Next, just repeat this process for all 6 of the pieces. So here you can see I've glued all of these pieces together, and this is what it looks like. So next, one more time, we're going to take a white piece of paper, or whatever color you want, and just trace the outline of the desk organizer. And then we're going to cut it out. So again, we have this hexagon shape, and then I'm just going to flip this over, and we're going to glue it onto the bottom. So put glue along the edges, like that, and just stick it on top. And once it's dried, we are done. So I know there are openings in here, but once it's filled with pencils, you won't really be able to see it. I also have made this before, and I have filled it with pens and colored pencils. And yeah, this is what it looks like. And it's really sturdy because when I pick it up, none of the pens or pencils come out at all, and it's not pushing it down. So yeah, that's the tutorial for the last desk organizer. So here are the 3 desk organizers that we've made today, and yeah, I really hope you like them. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!